You're not looking bad at all.
Come on, like this? What's that?
What do you mean like this? You are a married woman now, and he takes care of you. Look at you. Eh?
Ijoma, listen, the sound of bitter cola in the mouth is not the same as its taste. What you see now is simply camouflage. Trust me on that.
Camouflage? Amaka, this is what you've always wanted. You are married to a man that loves you so much. Why will Emeka start maltreating you?
Emeka? No, come on. Emeka cannot even maltreat his own self, even if he wants to. Trust me on that. It's not about Emeka at all. It's just his family. Ijoma, I don't have peace. They don't allow me one moment of peace. I can't even drink water and drop the cup peacefully. You see that his younger sister, Blessing? She's the worst of them all. You won't understand.
Blessing? I thought Blessing was your best friend in the family.
No. She has never been my friend. Ever. Trust me on that. She was just tolerating me, but at some point her true colors came out and she brought out her fangs. That girl. You don't want to know.
Well, that is what it should be, considering the condition that brought you into the family.
Excuse you? No, Ijoma, I don't understand. I thought you were my friend. Yes. Why are you talking like that? No, tell me. What sin have I committed? No, tell me. Even God forgives all sinners. I mean all. He doesn't segregate. Like there's no special sin. There's no small or big sin. So what's that sin I have committed that the whole world is against me? What's so bad about this? Trust me, I will not be the first to do this, and I will not be the last either. So please, tone it down and act like my friend for once.
Amaka, you know your problem is that you don't know that you have committed an abomination. Yes. You are still raising your voice. You have not committed any sin. What sin have I committed? English woman. English woman. Eh? I don't know why you're complaining, no. Because you brought this whole thing upon yourself. This is what you always wanted. Yes. He who fetches ants infested firewood invites lizard for a feast. Okay? So stop disturbing me and carry your cross. Carry your cross. And leave me alone. You go.
She's an evil woman. So yeah, she got no human sympathy. She is so evil, and she got no human sympathy. Cause she's an evil woman.
Who are not back like say you used to? That's the way you come and beat my house. You knock like this. That's the right. Mama, are you? Good afternoon. Mama, you are welcome. Okay. Sorry, Mama. I think so. I just have a way to come back. And then they have not like that to shut away. Welcome. Welcome.
Mama!
I know!
Good afternoon, Mama.
I know you're surprised to see me.
How is everyone in the village?
Everyone in the village. Are you from the village? Eh? We want to know how they are doing. Good afternoon, Mama. What is good about the afternoon when you have littered everywhere with your field? Huh?
Mama, what did I do to you? Did you come all the way from the village just to have a quarrel with me?
I didn't just come to quarrel with you. I came to take you out of my son's life. So that he can go and bring his own Lego wife in peace. Bring her home. Yes!
Mama, your son is a grown man. And And I'm not stopping him from anything. Besides, this is Africa, where every man can marry as many wives as he wants to.
Ikuwano! Not my son! Look at you, preaching African law to me at this age. Over my dead body will my son marry 2 women, 2 wives. His father did not do it. Therefore, he will not do it. Why would he do it?
Mama, please. Can you just let me be? Please?
Not now. Not ever. You are leaving my son's house today, now.
Today's a good day and I don't want to do this. Just let the sleeping lions lie, please.
Yeah. You are the lion. I want you to devour me. Now.
Mama, stop! Mama, stop this! Mama, can you just stop? About him. Mama, stop this! Mama, what is this? You are harassing me! Mama, stop! This is my husband's house! Mama, stop! Mama, please! Mama, stop! Mama, please! Mama,
leave me alone!
Mama, what is this?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone now!
Mama, it's okay, it's okay. Mama, what happened?
Mama, why did you even come in now? Even for your cause, I wouldn't even know you are here.
Look at her! She said she's going to kill me. That she's a lion. She's going to devour me. I won't get devour. Just try me. If I don't use this thing, wagon. If this thing lands on your face, if you don't lose all your teeth, call me village woman.
Why? Why do you want to kill my mother? Huh?
Answer her! She's asking Nene. Oh! Look at her. She thinks shaking the bum is marriage qualification. Marriage qualification is in your character, in your head, and in your mind. No way!
Yes, Mama.
Nonsense!
Can you just sit down? Let me go and get you something.
Sit where? Take me to that girl. She must live here. Take me to her.
Mama, it's okay.
Leave me alone. My in-law, please forgive and forget everything my son has done to you and to our wife. You will not totally blame Emeka, my son, because it's not all his fault. Amaka is the cause of all this crisis. Everything he has been doing, he's not doing it with his clear eyes. But I believe once you give us our wife now, and before we get to the village, his eyes will clear. All charm, everything worrying him will clear.
It's not that easy.
So when is she coming back?
Well, nothing happens for nothing. I believe that before this incident, God knows about it and he ordained it. That was the reason it happened.
Never. God forbid. God can never ordain evil thing to happen. This is evil.
Anything that God don't want to happen, he will prevent it.
Ogom, we are not here to preach the gospel now. No time for scripture. If you want to do scripture, we'll go to Bible study. All I ask is for you to give us our wife. Let me take her back home. Let her join with her husband.
For you to take her back home to stay with Emeka, while Amaka is still living with Emeka comfortably in his house.
Leave that one to me. Before this evening, and we hear the story. Because once I get to that house, she is leaving that house. She will not continue to live there and causing all this kind of problems she's causing now.
Exactly the same thing Blessing said some time ago. Yet, Amaka and Emeka are still living in the same house. Anyway, that's by the way. I've heard what you said. I will sleep over it.
Is it before I leave the city?
Yeah.
No problem. Let me be on my way. Oh?
It's okay.
Oh, Ogom. Please. Personally, I am apologizing. I am so sorry for everything. All the inconveniences, I am sorry. Oh?
I know.
About an accident. Biko.
I know.
You know now. Oh?
Ijeoma.
Mama, please leave my dress. Act civilized for once. Stop pulling me all the time. I don't want to do what we'll regret, oh, please.
Do it. Do it. Regret what? Do you have a heart to regret? I know you want to beat me. Go ahead and beat me. But you know what? You are leaving my son's house today. Else, I die here. Mama. You're a betrayer.
Mama.
You did to your friend what Judas Iscariot did to our Lord Jesus Christ. What am I even saying? Judas is even better than you because he regretted his action. Are you regretting anything?
Mama, please stop now. What is this? Stop. Allow me have peace in my husband's house. Leave me alone.
Okay, you want us to fight?
I am politely asking you. Mama, leave me.
This box, I want to give it to you. You will know it.
Mama, can you stop this? Mama, what is this? Stop it. What? Stop it. What is this?
She said she wants to beat me.
What is going on?
She said she wants to kill me. This is Ekwensu. Do you know she slapped me here? What? She slapped me here. She now boxed me. My mother, are you okay? How will you want my breast? Oh yes. Box time.
Lay your hands on me. What is wrong?
Give it to her. Give it to her. Give it to her. Give it to her. I have you. Give it to her. Give it to her. Yes. Yes. Are you okay?
Oh yeah. She's an evil woman. So yeah, she got no human sympathy. She is so evil, and she got no human sympathy. Cause she's an evil woman, so engrossed in her evil deeds. Yeah, she is so mean. Her heart is filled with evil and mischief. She's an evil woman. She's an evil woman. She has no she's wicked and wise. A happiness killer, an enemy of progress. She's so evil. She has no human sympathy. What kind of a woman? A family destroyer. Yeah. She's an evil woman, so yeah, she got no human sympathy. She is so evil, and she got no human sympathy. Cause she's an evil woman, so engrossed in her evil deeds. Yeah, she is so mean. Her heart is filled with evil and mischief. She's an evil woman. She's an evil woman. She has no she's wicked and wise. A happiness killer, an enemy of progress. She's so evil. She has no human sympathy. What kind of a woman? A family destroyer. Yeah.
My son, that girl made me funny. There is nothing she has not done to me today. She nearly killed me. If not for Blessing's intervention, you wouldn't have met me alive in this house today. But I just thank God, who fights for the widow. He fought for me and gave me victory that I'm alive today.
It's okay, Mama. I already knew what happened earlier today.
What? She told you?
Yes, Mama, she did. I wouldn't like such incidents to repeat itself in this house ever again, Mama.
Brother,
Will you shut up your mouth? What is wrong with you?
What incident are you talking about? I told you what that witch that is living in this house with you did to me. That she fought and almost killed me. And you call that an incident? So what she did to me is what you're referring to as an incident?
Mama, there is no witch in this house, okay? Amaka is my wife. Take it or leave it.
And where are you going? Where are you going? That thing you have eaten from her, I command you in the name of Jesus, vomit it.
Mama, pick up, just stop, okay? Both of you should stop. If you are here in my house to cause problem between my wife and her, you better go back to the village, okay? And I'm done talking about this. I am done.
Brother. What? I am going to tell that fool. See, Emeka, I will show him that I carried him in this my womb for good 9 months.
Mama, is it not the same thing I was telling you?
I will not let it happen. Oh, man! Nonsense! Emeka!
Good afternoon, ma.
Who are you? And why are you coming to me?
Sorry, ma. I want to ask you something.
Ask me what? Do you know me before?
No, ma, no, ma. I just feel like asking you. See, I've been in this city since morning. And my reason for coming to this city, I'm looking for a lady called Amaka. Look at her. For this lady. I'm looking for this lady, Amaka.
Where did you get this picture and how did you know her?
Ma, I know her from somewhere. And my main reason for looking for her is very urgent. Very, very important.
You looking for this lady?
Yes.
Huh. Okay. Huh. I'll help you, but I hope it's genuine.
It's genuine, ma.
If you enter a taxi or keke, tell them to drop you at number 12 Ungu Street.
Yeah.
When you get there, ask anybody. In fact, show them this picture, they will direct you to her house.
I will tell them I'm looking for Amaka.
Yes. Once you show them this picture, they will direct you to her house.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
What business does Amaka have with this man?
Looking for me? Who is he? Why does he want to see me? He's on his way to my house? Why? Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Wait, are you the one looking for me?
Yes, I'm the one.
What you want?
Are you not happy to see me?
You know what?
Huh?
Just say what you came here to say and just leave, please.
No, no, no. I can't discuss outside. Why can't we go inside?
Excuse me? Go where? Listen, I don't want to banter words with you, okay? And I don't want to be seen here with you. So spit it out and just go!
No, 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 no. Oh, is it because you have achieved your mission? That's why you are behaving like this? Why? Anna, let me ask you. Why have you not been coming to the temple for your renewal? Huh?
What renewal? Did we have that conversation?
Yes.
Where? How?
Yes, yes. I mean, why have you not been coming to the temple for your renewal? I mean, your work. Work I did for you.
Did we discuss that?
Yes, now.
Where?
You're asking me? At the temple, of course.
You told me about renewal. How?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Have you not been told that even before God, when God did something for you, you have to come back and tell him thank you?
Okay. Okay, you know what? Just take this and go, okay? You can just pick it up. Go, please.
I'm supposed to be asking you what you are doing with such a dirty fetish prophet.
And what do you think gave you that right? Tell me. Just tell me. What gives you that right to send such an ugly, dirty-looking fellow to my house? Don't you know it can break my marriage? What is wrong with you?
Oh, it can break your marriage. So you know it can break your marriage. Then what are you doing with him? Tell me.
What I do with him is none of your business. Get it? I'm an adult.
Then stop pretending as if you're a saint. Okay? What wrong have I done to have directed your friend to your house?
Everything you have done is wrong, Ijoma. It is wrong. You have no right. How dare you? You need to ask for my permission. It's as simple as that. We're in a civilized world. Don't try next time because you won't like me.
I've heard you, Biko. I've heard you. King of Africa. I've heard you.
Listen, Mama, I'll be on my way. Since you insisted on staying back, go ahead. No problem. Me, I'm going. Because I feel more comfortable in my house in the village.
Mama, me blessing. I am not going anywhere. This is my brother's house. So we will stay here and we will fight. Mama, we will fight though. We will fight.
Listen, this is not a matter of fighting. And I have made my own mistake by fighting her. No problem. You have to be very careful about that girl. She's very diabolic. She could do anything. In fact, even to kill to achieve her selfish aim.
I know.
Don't fight her. Please, let me go.
Mama, I wish you can stay.
I don't want to stay. Give me my bag. Let me go. Ah.
Mama, you serious with this? You're going home.
Hurry up with that bag.
Going around. Come on, put this girl up. Are you mad?
If I come, say, don't let go, Mama. No place. When are you coming back? Your face is not there. You know that.
Mama, bye.
Mama, bye. You go down.
What happened today?
Oh, what happened?
I met this best friend of mine.
Again with all of that.
No, we're like childhood friends.
Oh.
Believe me.
Are you sure it was just a guy? Oh, not a girl.
What if it was a girl?
What? Brother, good evening.
Blessing, how are you?
I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. Why is your face like this and what's up, Mama?
Brother, I say I am fine. Mama have gone back to the village.
Back to the village? Why? Why did Mama return to the village without telling me?
Baby, but perhaps she had, enough money for her transportation and for other expenditures. So come on, don't sweat it.
But were you aware she was traveling?
No.
That's surprising. You know what? Just go do what you were doing, okay? Just go. Babe, are you okay?
Yes, I am. But I'm just thinking, why didn't she go with her back to the village?
I think you have a point.
Blessing! Blessing!
Brother. My friend, come. Bia. We're not done talking about this. We are not done, no. Come and stand here. What are you still doing here? Why didn't you go with Mama to the village? What are you doing here?
Brother, was I meant to go that soon?
I don't understand. Was I meant? Are you actually asking me that? My friend, go back to the village with Mama now. I am tired of your excesses. Because you people have changed to what I don't understand. Go back with Mama to the village now. Baby, do you want me to throw her back outside?
No, come on. Do you want people to... What do you want? People say I'm instigating you to do these things. That's not fair to me.
Okay, it's because of you.
I know, but your family hates me already, so I wouldn't want...
But I love you. That's what matters. I've been telling you this.
And I love you more.
No, I love you more.
I love you more.
Are you for real? Baby, you're busting my brain.
Come on.
You're busting my brain. You're busting my brain, baby.
Oh, I love you so much.
I love you more. I don't want this to end like this kind of love.
It's forever.
I've been dreaming
Come on,
for it.
Stop. We're together forever. Come
Forever? Wow.
She's an evil woman, so yeah, she got no human sympathy. She is so evil, and she got no human sympathy. Cause she's an evil woman, so engrossed in her evil deeds. Yeah, she is so mean, her heart is filled with evil and
One more thing. You must not allow water to touch it.
That's quite simple. Thank you. Let me take my leave.
Why are you hugging me like this? Must you hug me every time, every minute? Huh? Can't I have a breathing space in my house? What is wrong with you? And why are you looking like this? What is wrong with you? I'm talking to you. Can't you talk? Speak!
I have a slight headache.
Then you can't go to the hospital and get yourself treated? Huh? Why are you even looking like this? Why are you looking this fat? What are you even doing in my house? What are you doing here? My friend, just get yourself to the hospital and get yourself treated, okay? Why is this chair like this? Must you eat in this dining? Get it fixed next time, okay?
Good day, young lady.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. How much is their bill?
It's 35,000.
Okay.
No, sir, you don't have to.
You add it to my bill.
You don't have to.
Come on, don't worry about that. Okay? Please, you add it to my bill. You came with the young lady that just went outside.
Yes, but sorry, who are you, please?
Sorry, my name is Obina.
Okay.
Yes.
That's my elder sister.
Oh. Okay, why don't you call her back so you guys can select more clothes and other things, as many as you want?
No, thank you so much. Even this one that you want to pay for, it's okay. You don't need to. It's not easy. Thank you.
Come on, I'm being serious. There are beautiful things here. Just call her back so you can select more.
Thank you so much. You're far too kind. I really appreciate this. Thank you.
All right. All right. Let me make the transfer. Okay. Call the number.
91.
Okay. 991.
22.
22.
55.
55.
66.
So this is it. All you need to do is just to transfer it to my phone and then I'll send it to her.
Okay.
Do you understand? So we have 2 pictures already.
Yes.
If you send 3, then I'll send. Okay. What are you doing here? I thought I asked you to wait inside. You couldn't wait for me to come and pay the bills.
There was one guy that was inside. He was just staring at me. He has taken care of the bills. He has paid for everything that we bought.
Okay, my dear. We'll talk later on the phone, eh? I'll call you. If I can't see you, I'll send you the pictures. All right, thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. What were you saying?
He already paid for our bills.
I don't understand. Why would you allow someone pay for our bills? Do you know who the person is?
Sister, I don't know him. Or maybe he met you during the wedding with Emeka. I don't know. He's the one coming.
Good afternoon, beautiful lady.
Yes, afternoon. My sister here said you settled our bills. Why, if I may ask?
Oh, that. It's nothing. I can see you girls are waiting for a taxi.
Yes?
Why don't you join me in my car so I can drop you off?
Do you know where we're going?
It doesn't matter. Anywhere, I can drop you.
Never mind. You already settled our bills. We're really grateful. We wouldn't want to bother you anymore. Okay? Thank you.
But I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining.
We didn't say you are complaining, but you've done enough. All right?
Come on, all right. Since you girls are already, your minds are already made up, let me allow you.
Thank you.
You didn't even tell me your names.
Susan.
All right. Oh, how much is the bill? Okay.
You don't have to pay the bills.
Come on, I'm not complaining. Let me. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
I didn't even collect their number. Okay. The number of the AABC.
I told you that crying will not solve this matter at all. Eh?
Now, Ikenga, what would you want me to do?
What do you want me to do at this point? Only son. I don't know why devil will treat me like this at this point in time in my life when I'm supposed to be reaping the fruit of my good labor. But something has to be done. What we have to do is this. Since the bird have learned how to fly without perching, one, we learn how to shoot without missing. Secondly, whatever comes to visit us in the night is prepared to prevent us from sleeping. But what we will do, I will take you to a man that will undo whatever she must have done.
Eh? Why can't you want to go? Nai, I am ready to follow you to anywhere that will enable me bring out my son from the pit of hell.
Good.
Imagine my own son, one Bruna for 9 months, treating me the way Emeka just treated me in his house.
Calm down.
A girl living in his house fought to me. And all he could say, we should let her be. He has made his choice. I know my husband is covering his face in shame in the grave where he is right now. See what this boy is doing.
Let me ask you one question. Blessing. Where was Blessing when all these things were happening? And make a blessing.
What would you have the poor girl do? She tried her best. She tried to separate the girl from fighting me. She even fought the girl, but still under the fear of what her brother will do. Emeka.
Okay, stop crying. Please, stop crying. Listen to me. Crying will not solve this problem. Tomorrow morning, I will come in here so that
we can go to the man who will undo what he has done. Eh? Biko,
Butu, come. Anytime you come, I am ready. Okay. I will wake up and get ready.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay, ma.
Bam.
I will come. I will work early.
Biko, Butu, whatever enough.
Thank you so much. Oh, Dalo.
Can make a move.
Continue go up. Continue go. No problem. So wonderful.
What kind of lady did I meet today? Very simple, polite, and intelligent. How do I see this lady again? I made a very big mistake. I would have collected her number. Who knows? She might just say no, like she rejected my offer to take them to their destination. Obinna, you fuck up. You fuck up big time. This would have been the end of my parents' continued disturbance on me getting married.
I was dating your mother when we were at school. We got married immediately we left the school. And I was 22 years old then. You, how old are you now?
Father, you expect me to do the same?
Of course. What are you waiting for? You must get a partner. You need a woman. Yes.
So I should start dating any woman I see just because you did the same when you were in school? Come on, Father. That means while others were busy studying, you were busy going after women.
Will you shut up your mouth? Look at this boy. All I'm trying to tell you is that go and get married. Period. You're heading to 40 years now, isn't it? And you don't even think it wise one day that you need a woman, that you need a partner. Boy, by the time I visit you next time in this house, I must see my daughter-in-law. Yes, you must show me my daughter-in-law. What kind of thing is this?
Okay? Okay?
What is it?
Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir. You get one man wait there for gate. He said they find you.
What man is that?
I don't know. Man is very tall.
Look, I don't want to see anybody. I'm not in the mood. Tall, short. Tell the person I'm not around.
Oga wants me to go and lie so that I can go to hellfire. No, now. Instead of me going out there to go and lie, I rather sit here and wait for the man to go. I will sit here and wait for him to go. Yes. I will sit here and wait for the man to go. Hey.
My G, see as all up. See as they fresh.
Kingsley.
My guy, it's been a while. No.
It's been a while, like you said. But Kingsley, you're married. Look at how fresh you look. Your wife is feeding you. You're talking about a bachelor. Are you trying to mock me?
Man, to marry good though. If you know waiting, I enjoy. Wife is important, man.
So why are you not trying to tell us to go and get married, right? Don't worry, very soon. We'll shock you.
I don't blame you. If you know waiting, I enjoy. If I just say make you marry today.
Give me money now. Give me money now, make I go marry.
Sorry.
Today.
Hello? Honey? Oh! Sorry, I don't even check the time. Oh, okay. Honey, I'm coming. I'm hanging around with my friends. Okay? Just give me a little minutes. I will be there. Okay? Guys, I need...
What is wrong with you? We just got here. We merely had just 2 bottles.
Guy, you no go understand.
You and this your wife. You and this your wife.
She's the only one that is making me happy now. And if you know they talk about family, you are not serious.
So we are not making you happy now.
Bro, you won't understand. I beg. I will see you. I will see you. My guy, we'll go package next time now. Yeah? I beg.
We have seen now, married man. He has left us.
Mama.
Hey.
Mama. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank
Mama.
you.
Hey.
It's Bonwa. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Sit down. Oh, sit down. Sit very well. Sit very well.
Mama. How is Papa?
Your father is... Something is burning. Hey. Did you put anything on the fire?
I'm cooking.
Hey! Obina, you see what I'm saying? At this your age, you should have someone to be doing some of these things for you. Eh? Have someone. You are comfortable. Look at my house. No. Mama. Come and help out. Eh? That is why you are here. That's what we need for. Oh. Hey, Obinaya.
Mama.
work now?
My work is fine.
Yes, I can see. You are doing very well.
Yes, Mama, it's good.
You see that girl? I brought her for you. Yes. See, among all the beautiful girls in our community, she is the best. She is beautiful, intelligent, humble, and educated. Yes! Look at the perfect combination. You are fair, she's dark. Perfect combination. Yes! See, she is fertile. You see that her tiny waist is full of twins. She will give birth to boys, as many as you want, and she will also give birth to girls.
Mama.
Wait, I am not done.
How many times will I tell you not to disturb me about this marriage of a thing?
Wait, Obina. Don't allow what they are rumoring in the village to be true. Because it is everywhere that you are into money ritual. Yes! That's what they are saying, no? And that is why you are avoiding women. Because with the way you're going, I'm beginning to look at you somehow.
Mama, are you the one saying this? Mama, you are embarrassing me, and I don't like it.
See, be ready to hate me more, because I am not going to stop. I will not stop until you bring a woman to this house. I'm bringing her agape. I know you are not impotent, because your father is not impotent.
Mama, you see that girl? Better take her back to wherever you brought her from. That particular girl, I am not going to marry her.
Is it working at Obina? Obina, are you working out on me? You're working out on me, your mother. Anyway, I came prepared. As you can see, I have my bag and she has her bag. If you do not want her, then challenge me by bringing another woman. But as long as there's no other one in this house, Nneka has come to stay. Look, if I wasn't your mother, I would have doubted your paternity. Because you are not behaving like the true son of your father. Are you sure you are a real man? Look at Chukwu-Ebuka. Chukwu-Ebuka is your age mate, and he's already married with 5 children. Even Ikenna of yesterday. Ikenna is senior with 7 good years. He's already having his own family. What is your problem? Why have you decided to bring so much shame to me? Everybody in the village, people are wagging their mouth, saying all sorts of things. Some say you are a ritualist, some say you have problem, you are not fertile, and all sorts of things. Look, if you do not want me at my age to carry my grandchildren like my mates, there is no problem. But the shameful part of it and the most painful part of it is that you are not even thinking towards marriage. What is the problem? Bina.
Mama, let's allow God choose for me.
If I hear that again from your mouth, do you know God? Do you know God? Because if you know God, you will be behaving like this. We are not done with this, so.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Please, do you need a drop?
No, I'm actually looking for a keke that has this number 24702.
It's my keke. I hope I've not committed any offense.
No, you have not. I actually need help from you.
Oh, you don't remember me again? I was the one that dropped those girls the other day.
Oh, it's actually you. It's actually you. Yes. Please, I need a favor from you. Yes, I need you to take me to where you dropped those girls. Yes.
No problem. You know what?
Yeah.
Please, you come back tomorrow morning because today I'm very, very busy. Okay? Tomorrow morning, just come. I will take it there.
All right, tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Okay, I'll find you here, right?
Yes, this is where I normally park my keke.
Okay. Would it be okay if you give me your number so I can give you a call?
No problem, sir.
All
No
right.
problem.
All right. Please. All right.
081 03 81 90 91. Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I'll give you a call.
No problem,
in the
sir.
morning.
No problem.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. See you tomorrow.
No problem, sir.
Go.
Amaka,
Oh, baby.
who's your baby? Who's your baby? Do I look like a baby in your eye?
What did I do this time?
What did you do? Why so adamant? Why so adamant? All you do is sit here and watch TV every day. Every day I come right back home and meet you, watch TV makes me sick, okay? It makes me sick. Look at my kid sister. Every day she goes out in search of a job and you expect your husband to do everything for you. Stupid woman.
What the hell has come
If
over
you
you?
dare talk when I'm talking, if you dare open your God for second mouth and talk when I'm talking, I'll beat the daylight out of you.
Don't do that with me!
Oh, you dare push me?
Are you stupid? Don't do that with me!
Come right back here, okay? I'm not done talking to you.
Hope you guys got home that day safely.
Yes, we did. We want to say thank you for your generosity towards us.
Oh, come on. It's nothing.
We are just wondering, how did you get to find our place? Do you live around here?
A big fish cannot hide in a river, so a beautiful girl like you cannot hide in this city.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
So, can I come in?
Well, the thing is, you cannot come in. This is my family house. We don't entertain male visitors.
Fair enough. So, can we hang out somewhere and discuss?
I would love to, but not today. I'm a little bit busy.
All right. Can I get your number?
Sure.
All right.
Sorry. It's 080 36
36
88 94
94
06.
06. Thank you. I'll give you a call.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Yeah.
Which one? Why are you smiling like a goat? What's this one?
This is love at first sight. He's really in love with you.
How, madam? I don't even know this young man. What do you mean he's in love with me?
Considering the stress he took in finding our house just to come and see you, he loves you.
Chikodi, this is the last discussion I want to have. I'm not ready for a relationship. I'm not even thinking about it. So please drop it. Let's go inside.
Wait, how can you say that? What makes you think that he's not different from other guys?
How? My darling, this is how they start. They start with being nice. They want to do everything for you. Tomorrow they turn into monsters. I'm telling you. Please.
The advice that you're supposed to give to me is the advice I'm giving you now. Give this guy a chance. Just listen to him. He looks different. He sounds different. Can't you see how gentle, manly he is?
Chikodi, you started saying manly. Eh?
If this guy had come for me, I would not mind considering him.
Consider her. Follow him now. Come on, let's go inside.
What is happening? Why is Emeka behaving like this? He doesn't give me attention anymore. Or is he speaking the truth? Maybe I should just do as he said. Start up a business so as not to sit at home all day. A wife should not be completely dependent on her husband in everything. What if something happens to him tomorrow and his people throw me out of their family, what then will I do?
Here we are.
Yes, here we are. I just want to say a very big thank you for the outing. I had an amazing time.
Come on, I enjoyed myself. I should be thanking you.
It's okay.
So, when are we seeing again?
That depends on you.
Okay, let's say weekend. I'll give you a call.
All right, weekend it is.
All right.
So,
Take good care of yourself.
I will.
Yeah.
You have a nice day.
All right, you too.
Okay. Let me get my bag.
All right.
Bye.
All right, bye.
I see you're happy now.
Tell me who wouldn't be happy being with a very nice young man like that. He's a good man. I can tell.
You see, that was why I told you to give him a trial.
See, if anybody had told me that I'm going to fall in love again after what Emeka did to me and that evil friend of mine, seriously, I would give that person a dirty slap. I can't even believe it, but I think I like him.
And Obinna would take good care of you more than Emeka. Just look at you. See how you're shining and glowing.
Yes, so what do?
I can't wait for Mama to come back so that I will give her the full gist. She'll be so happy.
I'm sure she will. You know what to say. When one door closes,
another one opens.
Let's go. I got you something really nice.
Ooh,
yes.
Baby, how was
Where
it?
is my sister Blessing?
She went back to the village.
Why? What is she doing at the village?
I wouldn't know. She just took her bag, and when I asked her where she was going to, she said she was going back to the village.
So you sent her to the village just like you did to my mother?
Baby, I did not.
Will you shut up your mouth? You've succeeded in scattering this family, right? Because I know my wife Susan would never do such. Rather, she'll put this family in unity.
Babe,
Stupid woman.
Babe, can you just stop?
Will you stop calling me baby, okay? I'm not your baby. Do I look like a baby? Stupid woman.
So, sweetheart, who and who are we inviting for the wedding?
My love, I thought we talked about this earlier. I suggested we have a quiet wedding. Listen, let's just go to the church and do our thing quietly. Come back home.
Why do you want such a low-key wedding?
Reasons best known to me.
Okay, I understand you don't want extravagant spending. But then, the money is there. Come on, this is a once-in-a-lifetime event.
Emeka,
Let's make it worthwhile.
It has got nothing to do with money. Please, can we not just have this argument? I beg you. Let's drop it. I don't want us to go back and forth with this. Please.
So how is my family and friends supposed to celebrate with me on my wedding day?
Okay. We'll do it this way.
Alright, I'm listening. Because it won't be cool that I go to other people's wedding and they won't come to mine.
I understand. And I know you have the money to feed the whole nation. To invite the whole country. Even if you want to invite any other person. It's okay. But on our proposed date, I want us to go to church, have a quiet wedding and come back. And maybe a week later, you could send out invitation to the whole world. Even if you want to invite people from other planets, I don't have a problem. I just want a quiet wedding, please.
Would that make you happy?
100% yes.
You got me there. So you win.
Okay, wait. Did you just say that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, come here. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
Come on, why are you thanking me?
Why wouldn't I thank you? I mean, you do everything at ease for me and it just makes me happy.
Why would I do that? You've blessed my life. Come on, you made me a happy man.
Thank you.
How can my mother and blessing go this far just to break my marriage with Amaka? Amaka! Amaka!
Yeah?
What is this doing under our bed?
You mean you found this nonsense under our bed?
Yes, and we've been sleeping with this for a while now.
Oh my god. Oh my god, who would do such a thing?
No.
This is horrible. You know what, bring it, let me just dispose.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. I need to trash
don't worry,
it.
let me just...
No! It's risky. Let me trash it. Oh my god.
Yeah, baby.
I'll do it myself.
We need to find out what it is before you don't even do.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Are you looking for someone?
Yes, the owner of this place.
You mean Diviner?
Yes, he asked me to wait for him.
Ha, madam, Diviner died a few weeks ago.
Sorry?
I'm telling you the truth. The died for money, it has been buried.
How can you say he died a few months?
He died. He has been buried a few months ago.
No, you must be mistaken. I saw him. He asked me to wait here for him. He's coming.
I said he died a few weeks ago. Maybe it's a ghost that you saw. He has been buried. If you are doubting me, let me show you where he's buried. Look at where he's buried. No, that's not possible. Someone is just trying to mess with me. What do I? No. No, this is a joke. This is one sick joke. What do I do? What do I do now? What do I do? What do I do?
Chika, how are you?
I'm fine.
I've come to see my wife.
Which wife?
Susan, my wife. Please, can I see her, please?
She's not around.
Where did she go to?
I don't know where she went to. I was sleeping when she went out.
Okay, Chika, let me come and wait for her, okay?
Wait where? Please. Call her on phone if you want to see her. You can't come inside.
Chika, Piano.
Please.
Chika, it's me.
Please, come. Mama, you're not going to believe who I saw outside just now.
Who?
Emeka.
Which Emeka?
Mama, how many Emeka do you know? The same Emeka you know, Mama.
Emeka?
Yes, so.
Emeka has the effrontery to come. Let me go and...
No, Mama. Mama, don't bother yourself. Calm down. I've already discharged him. He's no longer outside.
Hey! There is nothing one will not see you. So Emeka has the effrontery to come to this house. If I dare see him, his leg, anything that looks like him around my house, I will help him keep that leg for him. Since you don't know how to keep it at a particular place. Just imagine. So after all he did, when the face to come here, what is all this? Hey! Human beings. Emeka. Can you just imagine? They don't have shame at all. They behave like people that are stupid, useless, senseless. Hey! You have really saved him. You have really saved Emeka today. Ha!
Baby, please, I'm truly sorry. I know I've caused you a lot of hurt. I'm sorry, it's the work of the devil, please.
May that devil kill you then. May that devil kill you. Do you know you're the devil itself? So you practically charm me. You are a devil. You know, I didn't know you're this diabolic. You know what is good for you? I don't want to go out there and come back and meet you in this house. If not, you won't like what I would do to you.
I'm sorry, don't just leave this way, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Oh God, what have I done?
Susan, please wait. Susan, I've been looking everywhere for you, please.
You've been looking for me?
Susan, we need to talk, okay? Honestly, I need to talk to you. I know I fucked up. Do you know that girl was using charm on me? I later realized.
Emeka, do I have your kidney? Do I have any of your body parts? Why are you looking for me?
I miss you. Yes, I miss us.
You're a stupid man. You're a very, very stupid man. Oh, you think you can just walk out of my life and then walk back and think everything will be fine? I'm asking you, do I look like an apartment to you?
Susan, please.
Don't even say one more
Susan,
word. If you come anywhere close to me, I will hit you so bad that you won't survive it.
I know I fucked up, okay? Yes, I did, but I was stupid. Okay. But I've realized everything. I want you back in my life,
now
please.
You know you were stupid. You think I'm a commodity you can go out there, buy, and then take back to your house? You want me back to you? See, if you come anywhere close to me, I warn you again. You won't like what I'll do to you.
Susan,
Come on, don't get your hands off me.
Don't do this.
Are you mad?
I know you used to love me, okay? I can fix everything, please.
Bastard.
Susan.
Now, listen to me and listen good. If you come anywhere close to me or stand behind my car, I will run you over.
Susan, please. Good for you. This is what you truly deserve. I need to call the police. Officer, look at her. She's the one. Mama. Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I didn't know what came over me, Mama. I didn't do any of these things with my right sense, Mama. I didn't know what came over me. Mama, please. Mama, forgive me, please.
Stand up. You don't have to kneel for us to apologize. We'll forgive you. We're a family. Sit.
Blessing. You know I love you. I'm sorry for everything, the way I treated you. I'm sorry, I was stupid.
Oh, brother, it's okay. You're my brother. It's okay. My own is that how are we going to go and see Susan so that we can plead with her to come back? But I don't turn your face to the other side.
You know, how I wish I could turn back the hands of time.
What does that mean? You don't want her again?
Mama, Susan is married.
It's a lie.
Mama, I've lost her. I was stupid. Mama, she's married to someone else.
Don't take it to heart.
Mama, what do you expect?
That is the way of us women. She did that to test your seriousness. We know what to do, don't worry.
Yes.
Wait, Mama, wait. Are you sure you can fix this for me?
Come and read my mind.
Brother, don't worry. We'll fix it for you. But when we fix it for you, don't do it again.
I didn't say fixing. I said we know what to do.
Mama, please do it.
I'm doing great.
Oh, this is
And
you.
This is me in flesh and blood. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
I was just driving past and I saw someone standing here. I said,
Yeah.
this must be Chooks. I had to reverse to say hi to you.
Thoughtful of you. Thoughtful of
It's
you.
okay.
I've been to your house severally, but couldn't see you. This is Susan. I want you to endure. That's all I'll tell you. Endure, okay? In the fullness of time, you both will shame the devil.
Well, there wouldn't be need for that. I mean, not anymore.
How?
Chooks, I am married to someone else.
Susan,
Chooks.
you're married?
Yes.
And you didn't care to invite any of us?
Well, let's say I didn't want to make the same mistake I made before. I'm sorry.
So, you finally left Jamaica?
I didn't leave him. He left me, remember?
Wow.
Anyway, listen. It's not even something I want to talk about. I mean, I have moved on. And I expect everyone around me to do the same. Okay? I'm doing good. I'm fine.
Your choice.
Well, I have to run along now, okay?
All right, Susie.
All right.
Wow.
You have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
My in-law. Hey.
We are coming to your house now.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine. We're waiting. Going to your house.
For what?
We've come to take our wife. Our son has agreed to make amends so that two of them can live together as husband and wife.
Yeah. We are both women. We understand ourselves better. Please, I want you to help me talk to her. Put her in the right frame of mind that she's going back to her husband's house.
No problem. Everything is over now.
Thank you! It's the Bogamo. Oh, God. Oh, I've always known you're a good woman.
I'm not done yet.
Oh.
What I'm trying to say here is we are trying to bring the bride price that you people paid on my daughter's head back to you.
I don't understand.
Yeah.
We are trying to make amends here. We still want her. Me, I love Susan. I want her to be my daughter-in-law.
My late husband's kinsmen, they are planning to fix a date that they will come to you people to return the bride price that you paid on my daughter's head.
But you still want her. No need of returning the bride price.
It is too late now. As we are speaking, my daughter is in her husband's house. They wedded few days ago.
What?
Yes. If you doubt it, you can come to my house. I'll show you the pictures. You can follow me and find out.
The battle is lost.
I'm sorry.
We lost the battle. Anyway, all we have to do for you is to look for a good wife for you to marry.
If you like, be alive. If you like, kill yourself over a woman. It's what you want to kill yourself over. Like your Uncle King rightly said, all we need to do is to take our time and get a cool-headed woman like Susan for you to marry.
No. Mama, I'm done. I don't need any woman. As a matter of fact, I'm done with women.
So why are you crying? If you're done with women, why are you crying?
That's a lie. You can't stay without a wife. Or do you want to become a Roman Catholic priest?
Giovanni, listen. You see, this battle has come a long way. And it has eaten deep into my system. I am tired. I need to go rest my head. I am going back to the village tomorrow. Take our advice or leave it. As na atoro ofeke, ofe ishi no ya. Mana atoro omara, omara. Awori choro ema, akwani choro ife ishi no ya. Keep crying. When you become sick, tell me who come and take care of you here. Good night.
Emeka, my son, give me your hand. I understand how you feel. But take my words. There are many fishes in the river. If this one misses, you get a better one tomorrow. Take heart. You shall be well.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
You are blessed.
Emeka, it is not the end of the world. Like we say in our local parlance, soldier go, soldier come. Barracks today where you did. Jokes don't understand. You don't. I'm confused. I don't even know what to do, okay? I understand Susan is the kind of woman every man would love to have. I'm confused.
Well, you allowed Amaka's emotion take the better part of you. You did. Her emotions enveloped you. Otherwise, how can you explain this fact that you rejected your wife because another lady told you she was pregnant for you? Listen, your wife is the one who's supposed to be feeling this way and not the other way around. Emeka, I warned you. I warned you of the impending danger. What did you do? Chased me away. Now look at.
Jokes, I'm sorry, yeah. I didn't know what came over me. But right now I need your help, man. Yes. What should I do? Tell me.
Of course, to move on with Amaka now. Are you still asking? Move on with Amaka?
Which Amaka are you talking about? Haven't you heard?
Heard what?
Amaka is dead.
What?
Yes.
Dead? How? When?
You know, I later realized she was using charm on me. So I practically asked her to leave the house. When I returned home, I met her dead. She poisoned herself. All I did was to call the police and her body was taken away.
Ijoa. Journey of life.
Yeah, you're right, you know. Please, I know you won't lie to me. You're my friend. Tell me, did Susan tell you who she got married to? Please.
No. Our discussion that day was sketchy, not really in detail. However, you can find out from her sister.
No. That's a no-go area. The same sister who stopped me from entering their compound? Come on, Jokes. Jokes, I need you. I need you to beg this girl from me, please. Ever since she left, every single breath I take seems like a waste on me. I can't focus without her. I need this girl in my life. Please, help me.
I just feel dumbfounded. I mean, can you know what you're asking me to do? Sending me on a suicide mission? That I should go beg another man's wife to come back to you? Okay. Doesn't that sound bizarre? Come on. Listen. I remember telling you the dangers that will be associated with your moves. But what did you do? You never listened. Welcome. Let's put back the pieces of your life together and move on. The journey has left the bottle. Things will never be the same again. She's another man's wife. Let it stick. Let it stick. Munye mad ko oboze.
God.
Stop! Stop!
Allow me to
What's wrong
die.
with you? What's wrong with you?
To die.
Allow
me to die.
Die how?
Allow me to die.
Emeka! Emeka, what are you doing to yourself? Give me this thing.
Allow me to end it all.
End what all? Emeka, end what all now? Do you realize if you commit suicide, you have committed a sin against the land? I mean the laws of the land, and you know that. If you still commit suicide, our religion frowns against it. You and I know it.
What difference will it make without Susan?
Stop! Come on, man. Don't do this now.
I want to die.
Stop, eh? Please.
Die.
Come on.
I want to die. I want to die.
Because of a woman? Make her talk to me because of a woman? Come on now.
Please, call me. Go and call Susan.
Okay.
I want to see Susan.
Would that make you happy?
Yes, I want to see Susan.
Oh, yeah,
I want to see Susan.
I'll call Susan for you. I'll call Susan, okay?
Messed up.
I know, don't stop.
Messed up.
Stop!
Call Susan. Call Susan.
Whatever you want. Emeka, stop now. What are you doing? I will. You will pull yourself together because I will call Susan for you. Okay? I will call Susan. Don't worry. I will. Eh? I will. That will happen. What have you been doing to yourself? Stop.
Are they still coming? It's more than an hour already.
Calm down. Eh? They are short blocks. They'll just in a jiffy, you'll see them.
Well, let me believe you.
You know what I can do, man. It is what it is, man.
Baby!
My Oma! See what I told you? Talk about it. Hello. Hi. What happened? What kept you guys?
Traffic.
Traffic.
Yeah.
Traffic.
How you girls doing?
Good.
Yeah, that's a traffic. Normal Nigerian road. Traffic. You're welcome to make yourself comfortable. Yeah. Okay, you see, this is my friend here, a bosom one at that. His name is Emeka. It's a bosom friend. We've been together from childhood. I mean, we've been there, we've done that. We've had our quarrels, we've settled. As a matter of fact, we work in the same company. Yeah. Emeka, you see this African queen here, this black, spotless beauty. She's my girl. Her name is Dorothy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dorothy, how you doing?
I'm fine.
You heard that
I can
voice?
see you're fine.
Then over there, quintessential, sparkling beauty, the one we call in our local parlance, Oyibo Pepe. Sitting over there. Her name is Jacinta, my girlfriend's friend.
Oh. Jacinta, how are you?
So good.
She's good.
You can say that again.
They are both good.
Oh.
Birds of the same feather.
You heard him? Birds of the same feather. That's in on your neck.
Let's get them something to drink.
Very important.
Waitress! Please come.
Hurry up! Quintessential beauties are here.
Please. Get them something to drink.
Soft.
You're soft. What did you expect? They are soft. They need soft. Dodo.
Yeah, baby.
You're loser. They worry you. thing on your neck.
Welcome. I didn't see you at the club.
What's the need of going to the club when the club won't solve any of my problems? Tell me.
Really?
Yeah. You see, when people go to the club to dance, celebrate, but when they get back home, all their problems will be clear in their eyes. Now, let me tell you what Jacinta told me, okay? God is the only happiness and true everlasting happiness. So when you have a problem, you run to God and all your problems will be over. You see?
Pastor Emeka.
You can call me that again, but all thanks to Jacinta, believe me.
I'm smelling a rat here. I'm smelling a rat. Someone is sounding like somebody who is in love.
You know what, Chooks? Love is understatement, okay? Jacinta is a real woman.
Only a man loves a woman.
When a man loves a woman, no, this song should rather be this way. When I love a woman.
That one is Merix. That would be Merix of it.
When I love a woman,
oh, God.
I love so real. This one must work. My brother, I am done searching. Believe me.
Stephanie.
Why do we stop?
Jacinta, thank you for coming into my life. Having you in my life means a whole lot. It makes me a complete man. Thank you.
It's nothing. But all what I want you to do is to put everything we've discussed into practice. That will gladden my heart.
It's okay, I'll do just that. Just as you said.
I have to be going now, so you can as well go to work. I wouldn't want you to go to work late.
No, it doesn't matter if I go to work late. Whether I go to work early or late, I'm in charge of my department, so it doesn't matter.
No? That is unacceptable to me. Remember, going to work late is part of economic sabotage, and I wouldn't want you to do that. All right?
Yeah, you're right.
So, can we go now?
Wait, please. I love you. I'm in love with you. I can't help but falling in love with you. Your hands fit mine, like it was meant just for me. Please marry me. Please.
Why this late?
Mama.
Eh?
Mama, there was so much hold over the way.
Oh, the traffic. Mama. Come and tell me. This one about So who is this our guest? She's so fine.
Mama, wait till tomorrow morning. I'll explain everything to you.
I cannot wait till tomorrow to be introduced to this electric wine.
See, Mama.
She's so fine. Hey, how are you?
Mama, I'm very fine.
Is it the woman of your even? You know what I mean?
Asa.
Well, Mama, she's the one.
You see why I love you? You have eyes like your father for good things.
Thank you, Mama.
Can't catch up for Acharu.
Mama, your color.
He knows what I want. At least this one is my own now.
Yes. Mama, let's go inside. I'm finished, okay? I'm hungry.
You want to
Yes,
go?
My daughter, don't mind today's weather.
No
Today is the
problem.
season. Welcome to my house.
I understand. Thank you so much, Mama.
Go inside.
Thank you.
Mama, let's go in. Let's go in.
Go. Let me go and take care of her.
Mama, go in.
Oh.
Go in.
Go in, Mama. Go in.
Mama, look at your daughter.
That is a good wife. You can imagine how hard she worked last night. Yet this morning she was able to wake up early before everyone else had started sweeping. That is that wife we all have been looking for.
Yes, Mama. I'm super lucky.
God gave you a second chance to have a good woman in your life. No!
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, Mama. Well done. Continue with the good job. My son will marry you till old age.
Mama.
Of course.
Thank you, Mama.
Well done. Let's go inside.
Mama, rain is falling. Let me quickly go and bring those clothes inside.
No, don't worry yourself, my child. The lesson is taking care of it.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. My daughter, you know all these questions I'm asking you. That is what a good mother-in-law should ask her daughter-in-law to be.
Mama, you're right. And like you said, I'm from the family of Chief Udeze, from Akamoge. And I'm presently working with Ministry of Affairs there in Abuja.
Wait. Something is confusing me here. Chief Udeze, is it that one that owns a transport company, big transport company?
Yes, Mama.
He's your father?
Of course. You
don't say. With all that money, you descended so low to love us.
Mama, it's nothing. It's nothing. Mama, the thing is, I truly love your son so much. I love Emeka so much, and I would like to marry him, Mama.
And you will marry him. Your marriage with my son Emeka shall be a blessing. You shall see your children's children, just like I will see my own children's children from you.
Thank you so much.
Mom, you're welcome. Oh!
Mama, the rain is heavy. Do you mind if I should prepare hot tea for you?
I'm going to prepare. Hey! Hot tea under the hot rain. Heavy rain. No problem.
Okay, Mama, I'll be back soon. I'll be back.
No problem, Mama. Hot tea under the heavy rain. Oh, you will make an man.